안녕하세요. 한국어 파트너 아루사예요. 오늘은 한국말을 많이 할 거예요. 한국말을 하다 to speak Korean. 오늘은 한국말을 많이 할 거예요. Of course, I would give English explanations if needed, but 한국말 많이 할 거예요. 그리고 오늘은 똥 단어를 배울 거예요. We will practice poo-based words. You think talking about 똥 is vulgar, but in my opinion, life is poo. Life is full of poo. Every day we produce poo and we cannot talk about life without poo. Hope you understand my metaphor. 단어, a word. 한국 사람들은 똥 단어를 많이 써요. 똥? No, this is not real 똥. It's a leaf. 똥 단어를 많이 써요. 써요? Use. Korean use a lot of 똥-based words. 똥을 많이 써요. So we need to learn some vocabulary so that you can understand Korean dramas and movies culture better. Let's practice the pronunciation. 발음 연습. 발음 연습해요. 똥. 똥. First word, 똥 마려. 똥 마려. You have this urge to go to the toilet, then you say 똥 마려. 집에 아기 baby, 강아지 dogs, any pets, 애완동물 있으면 you get to say this every day. 똥 마려. 똥 마려. 저는 여동생이 있어요. 여동생이 매일 말해요. 똥 마려. Just go without saying. Of course, the question form is 똥 마려? You can say that to your babies, doggies, pets. 똥 마려? 지난 에피소드 봤어요? 아루사랑 샬이랑 이야기할 때 제가 똥머리 근육남을 말했어요. 똥머리? Poo hair? What do you think it means? Yeah, it's a hairstyle. A hair bun. 똥머리. 똥머리 좋아하세요? 똥머리. 똥머리 만드는 방법. You only get first and then rotate it around a few times. And then this is 똥머리. Looks like 똥, so we call it 똥머리. In English, it's a bun. Much better word than 똥머리, right? Okay. 다음 단어. 똥손. 손, hand. You have 똥손, it means you're not good at making things. 잘 못 만들어요. 금손, 똥손의 케이크 만들기. 컴피티션 대결. 오늘 떡볶이 만들어요. But when you taste it, it's not tasty. 미안, 나 똥손이야. I'm not good at making things. 똥손. 나 똥손이야. Then the opposite of 똥손 is 금손. Your hands are made of gold? Golden hands? 똥손이에요? 금손이에요? 똥손이야. 짤 means meme. 똥손이야 짤. Let's see. Okay, how about this? Well, two different looking cakes. 금손, 똥손. Another one. Oh, 금손, 똥손. Last one. Oh, what's this character? I've seen this before somewhere. Star Wars. 금손, 똥손. 똥손이야. Now, 똥개. 똥개. You already know each word. This compound noun, 똥개, what do you think it means? It means a mixed breed you can see usually in the countryside. They're like a medium-sized doggies. 똥개 in the countryside. Like this. And there's a movie called 똥개. Oh, do you know this guy, 정우성? Are you a fan of him? 똥개 images. How about 똥개 훈련? 똥개, a mixed dog living in the countryside. 훈련, training. Training a mixed breed dog. When somebody orders you around, making you do the same thing over and over again, you say 똥개 훈련시켜. 똥개 훈련시켜. Then what is 똥강아지? dung puppy? Actually, grandparents say, oh, my 똥강아지, 우리 똥강아지, to refer to their lovely grandchildren. 똥강아지. So, your grandparents would call you 똥강아지 in Korea. 똥강아지. 똥촉. 촉, your sixth sense. 똥촉이야. So, your sixth sense is not really good. You have a poor sixth sense. So, 나 똥촉이야. 너 똥촉이야? Your guess is usually turned out to be wrong. 똥촉이야? 고집 means stubbornness. Are you stubborn? 고집 세요? 세다, strong. 고집 세요? Are you stubborn? But when you say 똥고집, oh, you're extremely stubborn in a bad way. 똥고집, 고집. 쟤 똥꼬집이야. And how about pride? 자존심. But sometimes you have this ugly pride that people don't want to see. Then 쟤 똥자존심이야. 똥자존심. So mostly 똥 with a noun, it has bad meanings, huh? 똥배, 배, stomach. You have excessive fat in the belly. 똥배, like a muffin top. 똥배. 다음 단어, next word. 똥국. 국 is soup with a lot of broth or liquid in it. 김치국, 된장국, 미역국. Seaweed soup. 국 좋아해요? But I've never used 똥국 in my lifetime at all. Not at all. Not even a single time. 저는 똥국 안 써요. I don't use the word. I would say usually soldiers or boys would use this word in real life. 똥국. Because 된장 is brown. 갈색이니까. 똥값. 값, price. 똥값, do you think it's expensive or super cheap? Yes. When the price of something goes down drastically, you say 똥값 됐어. It became 똥값. Dirt cheap. 똥값이야. 다음 단어 똥폼. 똥폼. Here 폼 means a pose or posture. You know, sometimes I try hard, they make some pose, they think it's cool, but when we look at them, it's not really nice at all. Exaggerated pose or posture, then you say, oh, 똥폼 잡네. 똥폼 잡네. 똥폼 잡네. 다음 표현, next expression. 똥 밟았다. 밟았다, stepped on something. 똥 밟았다. When you have a bad day, it's not your day, something unexpectedly bad happens to you, then you say, oh, 똥 밟았어. 똥 밟았어. When you make a fireplace, there's like a sparks flying away, right? We call it 불똥. 불, fire. 불똥. 불똥 튀었어? And literally the sparks fly away or sparks are flown. Figuratively it means you are not really involved in an affair. Something bad from the affair influences you. Then you say, oh, 불똥 튀었어. 불똥 튀었어. So these are common expressions that Korean people use almost every day. 오늘 똥에 관한 단어를 배웠어요. 오늘 배운 단어는 실제로 한국 사람들이 많이 써요. 매일, everyday. 그래서 기억하세요. Remember them. 기억하세요. 기억하세요. 안녕.